Hello students, welcome to all. I am Gurpreet Kaur from Santishir Singh Memorial School. Today in this video we learn the meaning of statics. So let's start. Even to a layman, this should not be a difficult question if asked to define statics. We can expect a layman to say that statics is something like a store of quantitative information. Yes, it is true. Statics mean quantitative information or the quantification of the facts and findings. But how do we get the quantitative information? There must be a system, methods or technique to collect the quantitative information. Also, statistical information may be raw information. It needs to be classified, tabulated, or it need to be systematically presented. One must learn the system of presentation and the classification of data. Also, there must be a set of methods and techniques to condense the data. Maybe we find the averages or the percentages. There must be a set of methods or techniques on the analysis and the interpretation of the quantitative information. A student of economics has to study all these methods and techniques to understand and master the subject matter of statistics. In a view of such a vastness of the subject matter, statistics is defined both in a singular sense and plural sense. Now, what is statistics as a plural noun? In its plural sense, statistics refer to the information in terms of number or numerical data such as population statistics, employment statistics, statistics concerning public expenditure. However, any numerical information is not statics. For example, Ram get 500 per month as a pocket allowance is not a statics. It is neither an aggregate nor an average. In the singular sense, statics means science of statics or the statistical methods. It refers to the techniques or the methods relating to the collection, classification, presentation, analysis, and the interpretation of quantitative information. Next are the characteristics of statics. First one is aggregate of facts. A single number does not constitute statics. No conclusion can be drawn from it. It is only aggregate number of facts that is called statics, as the same can be compared and the conclusion can be drawn from them. Second one is numerically expressed. Statics are expressed in terms of numbers. Qualitative aspects like small or big, rich or poor, etc. are not called statics. For instance, to say Irfan Pathan is tall and Sachin is short has no statistical sense. However, if it is stated that height of Irfan Pathan is 6 feet and 2 inches and that of Sachin is 5 feet and 4 inches, then these numericals will be called the statics. Third one is multiplicity of causes. Statics are not affected by any single factor but are influenced by the many factors. Had they been affected by one factor alone, then by removing the factor they would lose all their significance. For instance, 30% rise in the price may have been due to the several causes like reduction in supply, increase in demand, shortage of power, rise in wages, rise in taxes, etc. Fourth one is reasonable accuracy. A reasonable degree of accuracy must be kept in the view while collecting the statistical data. This accuracy depends on the purpose of investigation, its nature, size, and the available resources. Next feature of statics is predetermined objective. Statics are collected with some predetermined objective. Any information collected without any definite objective will only be a numerical value and not statics. If data pertaining to the farmers of a village is collected, there must be some predetermined objective. Whether the statics are collected for the purpose of knowing their economic position or the distribution of land among them of their total population or for any other purpose, all these objectives must be predetermined. I hope all of you understand the meaning of statics. Thanks for watching the video.